So what we've done in the University of Wales, Trinity St David, is developed a programme called Skip Cymru. Skip stands for Successful Kinesthetic Instruction for Preschoolers. It comes from a programme developed in the States from Professor Goodway, who's an expert in motor development. And what that programme does is it teaches the teachers and the professionals how to analyse children's movement and work out where they are in their developmental stage with their physical development. So they'll be able to look at children, see how competent they are, analyse their movement, and then know how to set up the right types of play-based activities with the right equipment to move those children to become competent in their movement and their physical skills. And that's absolutely crucial if we're going to get this broad range of foundational skills to underpin later physical activity. We've rolled that out across schools in the west of Wales, some schools in mid and north Wales, and the response has been amazing. The teachers and staff have really relished the professional development. They feel like it's opened their eyes to children's physicality and the importance of that in terms of both their physical development but also how it links to their cognitive and academic development. And we've seen parents engage. Part of the project has parental engagement, so we've bring the parents in. They're taught about how to support their children's physical skills. They have little bags of equipment that go home with them. They record activities they do with their children. They share that with other parents. So it's been a very powerful in terms of building a community within a school that values physical activity and high quality movement. I suppose part of the message as well that's key is that if we don't get good quality movement in early childhood, if we put physical activity interventions later on, the children will have already decided they don't want to be a mover, and therefore those activity interventions are less likely to be successful. So therefore, you're not getting value for money later on in the life course.